Hello, today we will learn how to create a TikTok avatar that can talk and grab huge attention. We will be using two incredible tools, HeyGen AI and Leonardo. Of course, don't worry, everything we use in this video is completely free. This tool uses advanced technology to generate characters with incredible details. For example, you can choose the colors, style, and even the personality of your avatar. Let's create something unique. We enter text where we describe how we want the character we're creating to look. Also, we will choose the cinematic Kino model because it gives the best results. Okay, after that, we click on Generate and wait. As you can see, we got 4 photos. Now, we need to choose the one we like the most and download it. Now it's time for animation. We will use HeyGen AI to bring our avatar to life. This tool allows the avatar to be in motion and look like it's really talking. Alright guys, now click on Create Video, and then we will select the avatar video using the portrait option. Now we click on Create Photo Avatar and then Upload. Click on Select Photos and then choose the photo on your computer that we previously created. And now comes the most exciting part. We select Continue and then double-click on our avatar. Now we click on Scripts and enter the text we want it to say. This is just an example. Now, we can choose the voice and accent we want. In this example, I will choose English with a friendly tone. Now you can listen to how it sounds and choose the one you like.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
I will choose the first one because it's ideal for me. Now, click on Submit. This is where the magic begins. Guys, all that's left is to wait a few seconds and the video will be ready. Okay, it's time to listen to how our new clip sounds.
Want to level up your life in 2025? Start using AI to boost your productivity and unlock new opportunities.
What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Guys, now we just download the video. But you're probably wondering, is that all? Of course not. To make your video visually more effective, it's important to add subtitles. We will use the free program CapCut, in my opinion, the best one, and it's very easy to use. After we've uploaded our video, now we'll create subtitles. Click on Captions and then Auto Captions. This way, the program will do everything for you automatically. Now, it's up to you to play around with the size and style of the font. It's a matter of taste, so we'll speed up this part a bit. Guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, now that we've finished with the subtitles, all that's left is to export the video. Select 1080 resolution and click on Export. And boom, your video is ready.
Want to level up your life in 2025? Start using AI to boost your productivity and unlock new opportunities.
If you're wondering how to remove the watermark from the video, don't worry, I will show you in the next video.